Hello all, welcome back to my video. So today we will be demonstrating to you how you can use sum and SUMIFS function. Also countif, average if and average if function, fs. So in this video I will be starting with SUMIF and SUMIFS video, SUMIFS functions, and in the other I will be demonstrating other videos. I'll be having two more videos. So I'll be showing countif and countifs, average if and average. So for demonstrating SUMIF and SUMIFS, I'm having a data table where there is a name, class, the name of people, having a data table with of a class of two divisions and some subjects. There are some marks obtained, and I'm having a percentage of marks for each category. And then I have something called added randomly two other columns which says merit medals. Merit medal for, like, who all has scored more than 98. I'm gold, and merit points of 5. Silver medal. Therefore, I'm saying silver medal and points are 3. So in this way, I have given medals and merit points to some students and for some students. So this is the whole content of my data table. So now we will be seeing how we can use the SUMIF and SUMIFS functions on this data table. So the formula, the explanation of SUMIF is it adds the cells for a given condition. Okay, so we have to have a condition. Then for this given condition, it adds up the number of the values of that. So here we will define a problem statement. So you have to have something, get some insight from this particular table. So for that, I have defined randomly a problem statement. Say problem statement. Find the sum of merit points for a given merit medal. Let's say I have merit medals, and I want to find the number of total points for, let's say, for gold, how many total I have to add up. If it is gold, I have to add up all the merit points. So this is my problem statement. So let us see what all arguments are there for the SUMIF. SUMIF. So arguments for SUMIF are range. So we have to define the range. Okay. Then criteria. That what is the criteria and the sum range. Okay, we'll see how to define the range. So here for this given problem, so this is our target set, right? So this is my range. So I have the range as merit medals and merit points. So for the merit for the given T merit medals, I have to add up the merit point. That is my problem. So I'll define the range. So this is the first uh, argument for this particular SUMIF function. Okay. Now I put a comma, then it will go to the next one. Criteria. So what is the criteria? So I am saying that for G is my criteria. For gold medal, I should sum up the values in this cell. Okay. So my criteria is G. So either I can custom define G here, okay, and put a comma, it will go to some range, okay, or what I can do is I can enter the value of 9. 9 is right G, and what is the sum range? So once it is G, I should be summing up the, this is my, okay, I should be summing up this values in the column. So for every G, I should be summing up the values in the column. So this is my problem statement, and now we see the result. Close the bracket and press enter. I have 15. So here for G, 1 5, second 5, third 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So this is how we use a SUMIF SUMIF formula. Now let's see how we can use a SUMIF S formula. For SUMIF, we have only one criteria. For SUMIF S, we can have multiple criteria. Okay, so we will see how we can use this multiple criteria. Okay, so let us see what are the arguments of this formula. So SUMIF is different from the SUMIF. Here we have the sum range in the starting. The earlier one we had sum range in the, here we have sum range in the starting it. So what you have to sum? You have to sum the merit points. Okay, comma. Now we'll have can define multiple criteria. So we have multiple criteria. So criteria range. So we should define the criteria range. So first criteria range is what? You can say our this thing is find the sum of merit points for given class and a class. Okay. So I'm saying for class 11A and I need to find the points for class 11A and the gold medal. Okay. So I'm saying criteria range is my first criteria is say let's go with the argument for the list of arguments. Okay, as defined in order. So we'll go with this columns. So criteria range 1 is this. This is the criteria range 1, comma, and now is criteria. What is the criteria? So criteria is G, right? G, put comma, then it will go to criteria range 2. The second criteria range is this. And what is the criteria? Comma, criteria 2 is, let's say criteria 2 is this 11A, right? I have put the criteria down here. Correct. Correct this first and go to the formula again. Go with the formula. Okay. We will go with the sum range. Criteria 1 is this, comma, criteria is E. Now we'll go with criteria range 2 this, and criteria 2 is, so like this we can have multiple criteria. Okay, so it will be multiple criteria and then sum of the values of this column. Okay, here we see it is 5. So with this criteria matching 11A, 11A here 11A and G, only this, right? 7 and G is only 5. You see 11B, there are two matches. See, two matches. This is how you can perform SUMIF and SUMIF on FS on a table. Hope you all understood. Thank you for watching, and then I will be uploading other videos and explaining how we can use count and counter. Thank you.